What's going on, guys? I know it's been a while since we uploaded a video, but I'm gonna try to stay on track with it. It's just I got so much things to do, you know, so it's hard to keep track of what I need to do when I need to get it done. But today is gonna be a fun day. We're actually rolling out to a car show, the Rick's Magazine car show, and then after that we have another local car meet that we're gonna go to, ran by TheBlackOrder Mopar and El Jefe, I think that's the name. But right now, me and this young man, we're about to shoot out. Let's get it ready.
We going to Buck's Cabaret first?
Yeah, Buck's Cabaret. But yeah, 6-0 Manny right here with it. We shooting out together. Nobody else in the team hit us up about it, so we gonna run down there by ourselves. And then after that, I guess we're gonna link up with the team. Damn, I was ashy as hell and y'all didn't even tell me, yo. I thought y'all was on my team. I ain't on my team. Man, I just looked in the mirror. I'm like, damn, you ugly. Got a big ass pimple right here. Ooh, almost hit it. Woo, you're doing good with it. I got a big ass pimple on my forehead. Yeah, I got everything wrong with me, but you know what? We still gonna get this done. Let's get it. Damn, we just pulled in. We looking lit already. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this meet is not as good as it was when we were in New York. Not a lot of people showed up. Like half the lot is empty, as you can see. But we're about to roll out, go down to El Jefe meet just to see how it is, and then we're gonna pull back up. We got the wristband, so we definitely should be good. Boom! So there we go, we made it to the second location. Second location, which was Sugar House Casino. Let's see how lit this meet is. I don't want to be let down a second time. I already see guys on the roof, so I know it's probably gonna be lit. I don't know. Yo, my car is naturally loud. I can't keep it quiet. I feel so bad. Yo, when I get upstairs, they're gonna scream at me. Watch. I know they are. Alright, so we made it to the second location like I told y'all earlier. We was just gonna pull up to see, I was looking over here. Man, this meat looking drier than the first meat that we went to. Today we just having a fun, just driving around, looking at meats. But Cars up here is not that bad. My bad, bro. I walked right in front of that. Got 6.7 Manny. Got a couple more cars. Got the Miatas, NSX, BRZ. Man, the view ain't too bad if you ask me. Nah, I'm afraid of heights, y'all. I don't know about y'all, but this right here, it ain't for me, pimp. Alright, so the last meet was, I wouldn't say S. I think they got kicked out. I don't know what happened, but we got sent a second location, which we just pulled up to. While we're at the last location, though, we met a new friend. As you can see right there, our new friend. Yes, sir. And we still got 6.0 Manny in front. Still got the 6.0 Manny in front, man. But we're about to pull up to the meet. Like, we're literally 2 seconds out. We're gonna turn left at this light, and then we're gonna turn left again, and we're inside the meet. Coming down to this meet, we actually, we did a little, I ain't gonna say what we did, but we got down here quick as hell. Let's just say that. But yeah, it was actually pretty fun. Surprisingly, I wouldn't say surprisingly because he knows how to drive, but the Mercedes actually kept up, so it was fun. It was real fun. So
Cinematics though.
the mans came, the other mans came, this man's came. They finally linked up with us after all day, man. Me and Manny been driving all day by ourselves.
ARG in the street, sub, follow on Instagram, all that.
Shameless plug. Shameless plug.
We gonna get something to eat because I'm hungry. I'm so scarred for clustering on the vlog. Bleep that out.
Yeah, so where we at? Well, we in Southwest, right? Yes, sir. Alright, so right now this is my first time actually. Man, let me go back here real quick. This man has been revving his car all night. Seen a little baby flame, but nothing too crazy. Let's see if we get some flame. Oh, it's getting real over here. We got 2 Miatas under the truck, shooting crazy. I don't even know if it's true. Oh, damn, I can't even talk. They under the truck. This car is crazy. I can't even fit in there, yo. I'm too fat. So the cops actually just pulled up to the meet, so we gotta roll out before they start boxing people in. I don't like being boxed in, man. When I get boxed in, I'm like an animal, man. I'm trying to do everything to get out. This meet was actually pretty dope. It was a very good meet, and I'll probably do it again with them. Well, I want to host a meet, but I'll definitely go to the next meet that they host, because this one was actually a banger. But yeah, right now we're going to McDonald's. So we literally just got to McDonald's, as you can see. It was literally right around the corner. I ain't gonna hold y'all. But we got a couple of people with us. Midnight Elite chilling, you already know. Got my man out here shooting. Oh snap! My man, what you got over there? Let me see what you got. Hold up, time out. Let's see what this man got. Oh, all right. I see you, Milestone. Go ahead. Oh, 6-0 man.
Don't play around.
Alright, so y'all already know today is a donezo. The meet is done. Well, the car meet is done. Both car meets is done. Strip club is done. What else we done? Sugar House, that shit done. We right here at McDonald's with it. And I think this is where we're gonna leave off for tonight. For the rest of the night. For the rest of the night, all we doing is just chilling. Probably just shooting at each other with the Nerf guns and then going home. But that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to go downstairs, give this video a like. Don't forget to comment and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.